Am I recording? Yeah. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy JG, Mr. Family Ties. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video. So, y'all, today we got Virginia Tech versus the Miami Hurricanes. Can I read? I think I'm an L reader. But this game was requested. You feel me? I heard this game was crazy. I didn't see who won, so you already know how I do my reaction. My reactions raw. I didn't check the scoreboard on who won. They said this game was crazy. I heard that there was like a callback or something in this game. I don't know. But my bro told me to react to it. So I say that in a lot of these videos where I'm probably gonna be like, dang, like bro always yeah, my bro told me to react to it. So I was like, you know what, let's react to it. I know it's probably gonna be a banger. This is 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So got a lot of stuff to prepare for, but make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Let me get into this video.
Ball had a pretty good clip as well. Third in the ACC with 200 rushing yards per game. They can win in a lot of different manners.
Kyle Lowe sends it away. No chance for Chris Johnson.
A defense that's stingy in its own right for Virginia Tech.
Tech, the D-line. They bring 5. Ward in the pocket. Can't get away.
Sheesh.
Football comes out.
Boy, set them dogs at him.
Covered it up.
Boy, set the
They're
dogs
gonna
at
rule
him.
this a fumble. It is certainly going to be Virginia Tech's ball. Trying to throw it
They
as he was
no better
going down,
quality.
or what?
Fumble recovered by Virginia Tech.
Excellent at
First
work in
down.
the pocket.
all we
They
get.
just get there.
723. I'm sorry for the quality.
And it looks like it was Kelvin Gilliam Jr. who was the first to arrive, and say it was a pass. An incomplete pass was the ruling on the field, so we'll see what happens here after they indeed take a look at this.
Yeah, originally it looked like they said. Pressure coming, he gets away from Austin. Drones downfield, wide open. Benji Gosnell and Virginia Tech capitalizes off the turnover.
Wait, there's no way this is the only quality that we get, right? Is there better quality than this? 4 minutes.
Big number.
That is the best quality. All right, I'm gonna go back to that video then. My bad. Go back to that.
They run the. His big tight end wide open.
Drones and Cam Ward trained together in the offseason. Martinez picks up enough for the first down. Arroyo, the tight end, in motion.
7-0. 10 minutes on the clock.
Downfield for his big tight end.
That's a hot one. That's a hot one.
Takes it inside the Tech 20.
Type of player. That means he can run and he can catch it with a big frame. Kind of tips it to himself. He's made a big catch, and there's nobody lined up over him in the slot.
Ward to the end zone. Caught by George. Touchdown, Miami.
These boys already playing nice. Hope that audio not too loud.
One heck of a play going through his reads, and that ball is thrown.
Let's CTE effort.
Drones going to him early and often.
Ollie
on the charger.
there for Virginia Tech, didn't play last week.
Oh! I ain't gonna lie, receiver.
They will eat you.
Receiver. You dropped that?
Up in terms of reeling passes.
Ooh, that one hurts. Oh my goodness. But I ain't gonna lie though. I'm gonna keep it a band. I think I'm catching that. That right there. I'm catching that. I ain't gonna lie, I'm catching that. Hey, bro, look, bro. I ain't making it to the big leagues. But I'm catching that.
And once they're tipped, especially over the middle, just full of athletes on the back end. And right now, Miami's set to make Virginia Tech pay for their first.
They've been beating their opponents through 4 games. Again, the schedule, you can say what it is, but by an average of 52 to 10.
Ooh, that was a beautiful play action. The man faked out the cameraman. Y'all seen that? Hold on, run that back. The man faked out the cameraman.
You can say what it is.
Look at this.
But by an average of 52 to 10.
The man faked out the cameraman. was beautiful. That was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. That was beautiful.
Wide open, right in the middle. And I mean, it was sold by Cam Ward. And the release by Arroyo.
Lane, the motion man. Screen pass to two. Upended.
But this Miami team coming out playing some defense.
Ward steps up and runs for the first, brought down from behind. Tackle made by Caleb Woodson, who had 10 tackles against Rutgers last week.
That was a nice pick too.
That's a big takeaway for Virginia.
I ain't gonna lie, that's Selly tough.
Right,
that's Selly tough. I ain't gonna lie, that Selly is tough. That Selly was tough.
Up the sideline.
Oh, he's nice.
He was
that
wide
Selly
open.
was tough. I ain't gonna lie,
Most Phillips III. That's a heck of a job of disguising coverage in the last possible second, stepping in the passing lane. Well, he thinks he's gonna have. I think it's George. No, it's actually
that was beautiful.
Restrepo up the sideline, and boy, does Phillips play it nicely.
Virginia Tech with the ball and the chance to tie. Drones finds Lane, who slips down and covers the ball up at the 40-yard line.
Oh, was a fumble the pill.
Most
starters
in college football for Virginia Tech.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, he gone. Oh, yeah, he's gone. Yeah, give up, bro. He's gone, bro. Yeah. He's gone, bro.
And bouncing off defenders to do it. To get himself free. A nice job up front by the offensive line, Chapman and Schick. And I mean, it's just then a foot race. Mario Noah.
Virginia Tech showing blitz on 3rd and long. There it comes. On the backside, APR into the box score.
That's number 7. And you've got
he lit. I'll be lit after that too. That was good defense.
Like APR. He's got every move in the book.
And all 13 children. You imagine that? I'm doing the Irish jig when the bus comes for my kids.
Car, can you imagine Thanksgiving dinner as Lane finds a tunnel all the way to midfield? Benji Gosnell has a touchdown. There's two. He's got the other one. Slips a tackle. Gets to the outside. Powell can't bring him down. Still fighting. Big first half for Tugboat Tootin, a gain of 15 more.
We gave it to and took it away. I mean, just nice patient run, playing at his speed. And it was actually Powell. Had a few good meals in Ottawa.
The
reverse.
Wildcat.
Turns the corner. Turns on the Jets. Touchdown, Virginia Tech.
Hey, look. Y'all be saying college football not realistic. They just ran Wildcat IRL. Run it back.
Turns on.
Y'all be saying college football not realistic. Y'all be saying college football not realistic. But they just ran. Run it back. Run it back.
Nice patient run, playing at his speed.
Run it back.
And it was actually Powell.
But y'all be saying college football not realistic, right? Whoop.
The reverse. Lane turns the corner. Turns on the Jets. Touchdown, Virginia Tech.
That was nice. I ain't gonna lie. That was nice. But y'all be saying college football 25 not realistic.
Who said quarterbacks?
I guess.
Keep an eye on it. Cannot block in the open field. Does one heck of a job. I mean, he's the guy that makes the block to spring Jalen Lane and get him into the end zone. He's a big guy, 6'2", 234. But man, does he throw the block. Nobody else is there. If he doesn't make that block, then to think about.
Jacoby George made the catch a yard shy of the line to gain.
That's
he
defense.
Plays the game the way he wants to.
That's defense.
He wants to play it at.
Oh my goodness!
Kind of stepping up in the pocket. You just stiff-armed a defensive lineman to the ground before the big completion.
After further review, the runner's correct The receiver's forward progress was beyond the 35-yard line. Therefore, the play results in a first down Miami.
It's Cam Ward.
Ooh.
Ward in trouble.
Jeez.
Who was like a poker player playing the long game. There's the blitz. Drone steps up, chase from the backside, runs for the first and then some, and that'll momentarily stop the clock.
That was beautiful.
He just flat out outruns a couple of defenders. Elijah Alston, who's trying to catch him from behind, just can't catch him.
Let's see what we got. Jones rolling out.
Sheesh. On the run. Green gets out of bounds and picks up a first down at the
4 and in or so. And he toys around with 49-yarders.
Oh! Oh my, but they got back there, bro. Oh my goodness. That was beautiful. The way they got back there was beautiful. Oh my goodness. 58-yarder.
It's good. Love from 58.
Could have been good from 68.
A career long by 11 yards.
That was
Wow,
beautiful.
did he hit that thing? Ball out of the locker room, the way they've been hot on offense.
Bouncing kick, fielded by Johnson.
No way, right? To the crib? Oh, I thought he was going to take that jump to the crib. Well, I was about to say.
Broken tackle from running into the end zone.
Well, I thought he was going to take that to the crib, bro.
Quick throw, Gosnell the
Ooh.
catch, turns it upfield.
Ooh.
First down, Virginia Tech, back into Miami territory. Taff. This is
52-yarder.
This season.
Will try to establish the run. Damian Martinez hammers across the 40 for a first down, a gain of 17.
Virginia Tech.
Turn me up.
Pressure off the edge, quick throw.
On the bass.
On the slant.
Jeez.
Well, this is off a blitz.
Just the 6th time a Miami wide receiver.
Wait, action. Why he so nonchalant? Why he so nonchalant though? Why he so nonchalant? Hold on. Wait, why he so like? Why he so calm with it? Y'all see that? He just this man just read the. Hold on. Wait, run that back. Look at this man.
Miami wide receiver did that. Off play action.
No. Look how calm he is though, gang. Why he so calm like that?
9.5 sacks a season ago.
Look at him, bro.
Ward downfield.
Oh.
Picked. Spencer off the deflection. Spencer's got a convoy. Arroyo finally chased him down.
What the? Whoa. Yo, bro. What was? I was just hyping you up for being nonchalant. What was that? What was that?
Go. Ward downfield.
What was that?
Picked.
Hey, it happens, bro. It happens. It happens.
Spencer with the interception.
Caleb
Good
Spencer,
pick, though. That was beautiful.
a Miami transfer.
Oh my goodness. I was just hyping bro up. But that Selly is tough. Like, that Selly is
52.
tough.
These are the tough ones.
Another kick, another field goal. Did they just get that? Oh no, they didn't. Try to do a fake.
And Miami takes over. Time for Ward.
Oh!
Hit as he throws it.
You caught that? That is crazy.
Brings in the wounded duck.
And as I say that, Arroyo's back in the game.
Woo!
There's the speedy Chris Johnson.
Oh. 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 Oh, he shifted. He let shit through it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's like that. Yeah, he's like that, bro. Yeah. Yeah, he's like that. Little nonchalant, man. Little nonchalant, man. He's like that. I'm not gonna lie. He is like that. He is like that.
Before you go into the end zone, he's got everything you need to play the position.
This game is crazy. Run the bill. Woo. 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 He gone. Oh, he gone.
Down the sideline, reaching. Wow, for 6. Hold on. A flag back.
Flag on the play.
I think it's going to be against Caden Moore, who is saying, no, I didn't, but that yellow flag says, yes, you did.
Hey.
Before the start of the fourth quarter, both teams getting into it near the logo at midfield. Virginia Tech
backing down at all. Not one bit.
Tootin up the middle.
Oh my goodness, the boy just trot that man.
The same matchup again.
Oh boy.
Miami brings pressure.
Dang! Sit the whole team. No way.
Heaves it into the end zone.
I've seen it all. Oh, no. Pause this video. Now I've seen it all, bro. Ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way. What that man do? Didn't he say, boy, ain't no way, boy? Yo, what? Nah, bro.
Another big run.
Nah, bro. Run that back, bro. Oh, nah, gang.
Miami brings pressure. Drones retreating. Heaves it into the end zone.
Oh, nah, gang. Oh, nah. He is like that.
Green does to get himself open. And how about Kyron Drones extending this play? Pressure right away. He's going to get away from the pass rush of a few Miami Hurricane defenders. And then
oh, no, he is like that, gang.
At the end of it. But what a drive by Virginia Tech in response to Miami.
He is like that. Oh, yeah.
Run for the first down. Miami might
still a lot more game left, though. Ooh, that was a heater. Ooh, that was a heater. That was a hot one.
Into Virginia Tech territory down to the 31, a gain of 24.
And had a laser on it. I mean, he just knifed this through coverage. You know, forget about the next window. I'm going to take the first one. Safety help at the top.
Blitz off the edge. Ward steps up.
Oh my goodness.
Inside the 10. And from behind at the 6-yard line. 3 touchdowns last week is the running back. Second and goal. Ward back in the
Oh, that's a laser. Beautiful pass. Good pass, bro. That was beautiful. That was beautiful.
He gets behind coverage, behind the second level of the defense, and the touch and the timing. He has been certainly that way tonight.
Come me up.
Here's the blitz. Pass is tipped.
Oh, that's defense. We got a game on our hands.
Ward steps up.
Oh!
And engulfed. Sacked. Back at the 36-yard line. Orton comes in motion.
Oh, yeah.
Martinez, first down.
Flag on the play.
This is coming back. It's going to be a hold.
Holding offense number 2.
Sheesh.
10-yard penalty. Replay second down.
They call Isaiah Horton.
33rd time in his career.
Comes the pressure.
Ward.
Ooh!
his backside.
Yo!
Here comes the
He
all-out
caught
blitz.
that?
And Restrepo he's trying to redirect himself. He slips, but just the presence in mind to put his hands up, and the ball finds his hands. Amazing play.
They got 4.
That was nice.
4th down conversion. Low snap. Ward
Oh!
able to give it off to
Yo, this QB, bro. This man Ward, bro. This man is too nonchalant for comfort. Bro, look at this dude, bro.
got 4. 4th down conversion.
Look at him, chat.
Low snap. Ward able to give it off to Martinez.
That man just be chilling, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Has total control of this offense, Anish.
Ooh,
On the slant. Complete.
that was a beautiful
First down,
pass.
Isaiah Horton. Edge pressure.
Oh!
Ward ducks away. Spencer had him. Ward flips it to Williams. How do you like this?
No way. Nope.
Pushed out inside the 5. The improbability of Cam Ward.
This game is crazy. This game is crazy. This game is crazy. He is like that. This game is crazy. This game is crazy. Then this dude got stiff. Nah, this game is crazy. This game is crazy. This game is crazy. Brrr. This game is crazy.
That defenders cannot even react to it. Off play action, and then it's get the ball out as quickly as you can and with accuracy. Horton, the young redshirt sophomore.
Clock continues to run. 2 timeouts for Tech. Delayed pressure.
Woo!
Go to the far side. That is
a hard one.
Time. 50 seconds. Time for Jones.
Oh.
He'll try
Oh, he got caught.
from behind. It's 3rd down.
Woo!
Stevens
That's a hard
down
one.
with a first down.
But they only got one timeout.
Territory.
Uh-oh.
Drones steps up.
No.
Downfield. Green.
He caught it, but it wasn't in bounds.
8 seconds
Sheesh.
remaining.
It's clearly out of bounds.
Ooh, that one hurt. Uh-oh.
Comes down to this. Drones lets it
No
fly.
way, right? He caught it? He caught it?
They're
Whoa.
sifting through the carnage.
Oh, that's game. GG's.
Virginia Tech has it. How do you like that? Virginia Tech. They roll it a touchdown.
Wait, what? No way. Yo. Whoa. No way. Wait. He caught
I
it?
think they're ruling that Jalen Lane came down with this. And
He
remember,
caught-
the
no,
ruling on the
wait.
field is a touchdown catch.
The crowd
Yo.
erupted. It looked like Miami had it. This might be the look.
The game is not over. Teams back to the benches. Coaches, please back to the benches.
Yo.
This
No
is what
way,
the
right?
officials are looking at.
Is that a catch?
I just don't see enough to overturn it.
After further review, the ruling on the field is reversed. It's an incomplete pass. The game is over.
Hey! Oh, that hurt! Sheesh! Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. If he would have came down with that, that would have probably been one of the greatest endings of all time. But hey, Hey, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Family Ties, JG. Hey, Family Ties lead the way, and I'm out. Hey, oh my gosh, bro. That was crazy.